Look at each other. Hi everyone, welcome to channel. What's inside Mommy's bag? What's this?
What's that, Timby? What's that, baby Lynn? Oh, you get a biscuit. You get a biscuit?
Mommy.
What's that, Lynn?
There.
Open it. What's inside the small pouch?
Mama.
You want a biscuit? You wanna open it? Go.
Mommy.
What is that, baby?
It's a visceral so full.
Oh, it's an earphone. Yay! Mommy has an earphone inside Mommy's bag. What else? What do you have more inside Mommy's bag? Come on.
Okay, no problem. Look,
Oh, what's that?
it's a day glasses.
It's a glasses. Sunglasses.
Yay! Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. He's already playing with the biscuit. Oh my god. Come on, you just eat the biscuit. What more you can find there?
Okay. Look.
There's Nappy. Nappy for whom?
Oh my god.
Nappy for whom? Put it out. It's okay. You can put it out. Put it out.
Which one?
You're not. Oh, there's also wet wipes.
Yay.
Yes, put it out. Also the nappy. Put it out.
No, this is...
Oh, you have to eat back.
One more?
What more?
No, there's no more hold.
Huh? What
Have
else you have there? What
No.
else you can find inside Mommy's bag?
No, have 5.
What 5? 5 what?
Have 5.
5 what?
It's Mommy's.
What else you can find in Mommy's bag?
What?
What's that?
It's a gum.
It's a gum. There's a gummy.
There's no more.
No more, it's already finished. What else? Bring it out. What is it? What's that you're looking at there?
Mommy, where's the lipstick?
Are you looking for the lipstick? What is it, baby? Oh my god, you found lipstick. Oh, what have you done with my lipstick? No. You're supposed to do... Oh, no.
Yes, it's right there.
Oh, you wanted the lipstick?
Yes, that's just...
You're already gonna keep it? Oh my god. Why you keep it there?
That's very smart and so in front of me ever.
Makulit. Don't put it there. Come on. Show me again what's inside Mommy's bag. Show me what's inside Mommy's bag. He just wanted my lipstick, huh? What's that, baby?
Mommy,
Come on, show me. What is it?
Mommy, it's so heavy.
It's so heavy. What's that so heavy?
Look,
Oh, what is it?
it's a food.
It's Mommy's wallet. Does Mommy have a money?
Yes.
Really? Mommy has a money?
Do we?
Really? Mommy doesn't have a money.
Why?
These are just coins. Let me see, baby. What is it?
It's you and me.
Oh, it's you and Dwayne. So cute. Let me see. Show them. Show to Mommy. Show it to Mommy. Let me see. It's you and Dwayne.
Mommy, take a photo.
Okay. Cute. Win and Yuyu, and they're still babies. Cutie pie.
Mommy,
She's
purple
wearing
lipstick.
She's wearing lipstick, and now she's looking for a purple lipstick. Okay, what else inside mommy's bag?
What?
Oh, you're already gonna play with my lipstick, huh? What else you can find?
Look,
What's that?
it's a pencil for you.
For Yuyu, yes, it's a bib for Yuyu. What else? Is there something else? What's that?
It's a tissue.
Oh, it's a tissue. Is there something more?
Yes,
What else? What's inside? What's inside mommy's bag?
there's no more.
There's no more? Just it?
Yes,
Yeah, because mommy's bag is so small. It just fits little things.
there's no more.
There's no more. Cute. There's,
Mommy,
yes?
that's a lot.
There's a lot?
Yes,
So, this is what's inside mommy's bag. You just have nappies and wet wipes and tissue and bib and my sunglasses and a lipstick and of course a wallet. That's all.
yes.
Yes, that's all. Okay. Yeah, say bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Come on, say thanks for watching.
Mommy, open it.
Oh my god. Yu's already playing with my wallet. Boo-boy, does mommy have a money?
Mommy, open.
It's just 20 dirhams? Oh my god, mommy just have 20 dirhams.